What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily delete campaign on Google Ads. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So here's how you can easily delete campaign on Google Ads. So in your Google web page or whatever browser you're using, just search on your search bar ads.google.com, and from there, just sign in to your Google Ads account. So from there, you should be able to see your profile icon. Just click on it. And from there, you should now be able to see manage your Google account. Just click it. Next is you will be redirected to this page, and in the left corner of your screen, just look for campaigns, then click on the drop down menu, then click on campaigns, and from there you should be able to see the list of your campaigns. Just choose the campaign that you want to delete, click on it, then from there you should be able to see the remove link and just click on it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!